Hi, in today's video, we are going to talk about how to get money off of Chime without a card. Stay engaged until the end of the video to learn how to do this and more. The easiest way to access your Chime money without a card is by linking your account to another online financial platform. The best option here is the Cash App. Once you transfer the funds from Chime to Cash App, you can easily cash out to any bank account or debit card linked to your Cash App account. To add your Chime account to the Cash App, follow these steps. Open the Cash App on your device and click the $sign icon. Next, select your profile picture on the upper right side of the screen. Scroll down and click Linked Banks to proceed. Tap the plus icon titled Link Bank and follow the prompts. Type Chime in the search bar and enter your login details. Once it appears, confirm the link between the Cash App and Chime to complete the process. Now that your accounts are linked, follow these steps to transfer funds from Chime to Cash App without a card. Open the Cash App and select My Cash or Banking. Next, select Add Cash and choose the amount you want to transfer from your Chime account. Select your Chime account and confirm the transfer to add the money to your Cash App balance. So there you have it. Getting money off of Chime without a card is that easy. Thanks for watching till next time.